Hello, this is Matthew Krieger. I was thinking about making a video here about how to post on Facebook Marketplace and where to put your Facebook Marketplace postings once they have been set up in the system. So obviously this is Facebook Marketplace. In order to post, you would just go ahead and click down here, create new listing, and the pop-up comes up. Should come up. It's taking a little bit longer here. All right, so you choose listing type. What I always do is I do item for sale. And obviously you add the photos. And for the title, this is usually something that is easily searched on Google. So whatever you would be searching for, if you were looking for a mobile home or for land or whatever you're looking to sell on Facebook, I usually put that in there. So if I was selling a mobile home, I would be putting mobile or single wide for sale in Griffin, Georgia. Price $8,000. What I always find is miscellaneous works good. That way, people aren't looking looking around for one specific thing, and this will pop up because some people they might not realize that you could buy mobile homes on Facebook Marketplace. So they would, just see this and be like, oh, I was on Zillow or I was on Realtor.com, and I didn't realize that Facebook has them, and it's usually way cheaper to buy off of Facebook Marketplace anyway. So I just put used, fair, or good, depending on, the mobile home or the land or whatever we're looking at selling. And for this, you just type the description as you don't want to be too in depth, too thorough with it because you're not looking to flood their brain with information. You're just looking to get the point across. Like this is a single wide mobile home, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 800 square feet. Conditions good, needs repairs. Located in Griffin, Georgia. Don't put the full address because we don't want any squatters or anything like that. Um, you know, just put bare minimum, just the information they need, not the information that is, 5 miles from the shore of Georgia. You just want to have all the information they need, not putting any extra, information that's going to clog the whole description. And the more information you put, the higher chance you're going to get spam, the higher chance you're going to get deleted on Facebook anyway. So I just do the bare minimum. If it's land or anything like that, you would just be put parcel number, size, zoning, the address if they have one. If not, you would just put the XY coordinates. So that's basically how you post on Facebook Marketplace. Um, and I'm trying to, I'll just put a picture in here just because the next step is, there's my screenshots, but I'll just put this picture in just to get to the next screen. So this area, you're putting the spot of the mobile home. So you would just put Griffin, Georgia, and this is going to be blurred out because it's mobile home. It's not like you're selling a t-shirt or something like that. And once that Griffin, Georgia is selected, you go to next, and then you could put, I'm not in any groups on this particular Facebook page, so you would just select the groups that you want to post in, and I'll do another video showing how to do that. But yeah, so you just select the groups and then hit publish, and then once you hit publish, you're live with that ad, and that's basically how you post on Facebook Marketplace.